Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. Today let's try to clean. I will show you how to clean the inside the back glass of this Electrolux microwave oven. As you can see, there is a lot of dust inside inside this, and it is not possible to clean either from outside and nor from inside here because of the shielding. It is completely covered. This glass is there so that the microwaves do not escape from the inside and harm the things outside or which are kept around the microwave. So let's start with it. First of all, we need to remove the gasket or shielding here, the cover, front cover. Be gentle. See that you will not damage the front case. See that none of the locks are broken. Do not break any of the locks. Okay, this is the casing. Now we need to remove this glass. For that, what I'll do is, we see here locks, certain locks here, 1, 2, 3, and on this side and on the bottom. So what I'll do, I'll keep this here, push the lock upside. Here this one is moving a bit. Okay, let's with that. Okay. Here we go. This is it. As you can see, you should keep holding this while removing it, or else it will fall from your hand. If you only hold this shielding glass, shielding part, and just leave this alone and try to remove these locks, this will fall down. So see that this front glass will fall down and break. See that will not allow it to fall. Hold it with one hand and then go on removing this shield. Now we will clean this from inside and out. You can use some chemicals to clean if you have. I'll clean it with some soap water and get it. Okay. Take a cup of water, add some detergent in it. I am using detergent because you see the dirt here, it is sticky, it is oil because of oil. It is too much sticky, it won't go without soap. So add a soap, detergent or any other soap. Okay. Take a cloth, dip the cloth in soap water, just go on cleaning it. You can use a toothbrush if you wish, so that you can reach all the corners and sides. In this way, keep clean whole of the front cover. This is the inside of the door. Clean it as well thoroughly using the same soap water. This side it can be cleaned even when the door is fixed, so no need to worry much about this, but see that you will clean this part in a proper way. Do not damage the glass. If you damage the glass, then the microwaves will escape from inside and start heating the surrounding area or the things which are kept outside near the microwave oven. So to avoid that danger, see that none of the parts on this shield sheet are damaged. Okay. Now I will clean the inside of this shielding, the ornamental cover from inside of the door. Okay, this is clean. Now we will fix it back. Now if you have closed the door, nothing to worry, just push this up and pull it out this way. These are the locks. Now take the door, just go on pressing from the bottom and the right here, just tilt it a bit and press it, and that's all, and we are done. If any of these sheets are bent, you just, if the fins appear to be bent, you just straighten them. Now take the shield, the cover for the door, just here, you see, first off it's in this way. Okay, you can see, clean, totally clean. After the door is fixed, everything is done. Just take some glass cleaner, spray it and clean it for a final touch. Now as you can see, the inside of this glass has been cleaned. It is totally clean now. You can do this with any kind of microwave ovens. Only thing is, see that this shielding is not damaged. If it happens that this shielding gets damaged while you are doing the cleaning, do not switch on your microwave oven. Just consult your authorized service center and get this part, the door shielding part, new part, and replace it. Do not switch on the microwave oven when the inside part or this shielding part is damaged or any other part of this microwave oven is damaged. Hope this video was helpful for you in cleaning the inside the part of your door, microwave oven door. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.